everyone, and welcome back. I am so excited to teach you about AutoFill. AutoFill is a great little trick that you can use to save yourself a lot of time, especially if you're working on a spreadsheet where you have to enter the same information over and over again. So let's say you have a spreadsheet and you have to enter the days of the week, and you have to create the spreadsheet every month. So if you type in the word Monday, Excel intuitively knows that you're creating a pattern, the days of the week. So once you type in Monday, it will automatically populate the rest of the days of the week for you. So let's go ahead and try that. So we're going to move down to cell C16 and let's type in the word Monday. Okay, so once you have Monday in cell C16, go down to the right hand corner, and once your cursor turns to the little cross, I want you to left click and drag all the way over to H16. See that? Isn't that cool? That saves you a lot of time. So you don't have to worry about typing in the rest of the days of the week. Excel is smart enough to do it for you. So this also works with the days of the month. So not the days of the month, the months of the year. So let's go ahead and navigate to cell C29, and we're going to type in January. All right, once you type in January, again, go to the bottom right-hand corner of the cell, and once you see that your cursor has turned to the little cross, so I want you to left-click and drag it all the way over to cell N29. And now you have all of the days, all of the months of the year. One thing I want to point out is you see how you can't see September? So the whole month is not showing, all of the words are not showing. Remember how we talked about enlarging columns and rows? So what I want you to do is navigate to column K. Put your cursor in between K and L, and once you see that it's turned to a cross, left click and just drag it over a little bit. See? Now you can see the word. Do the same thing for October. Click on column L. Put your cursor between L and M. When it turns to a little cross, just drag it over. And you can also, instead of dragging, I'm going to show you another trick. Okay, so put your cursor on column M, like Mary, and when you are right in between M and N, left click, just double click 2 times, 1, 2. See, isn't that cool? So there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can widen your columns, so just be aware of that. All right, so not only does AutoFill work for the months of the year or the days of the week, you can also use it with number sequencing. And so let me show you what I mean by that. So we're going to navigate to cell J39, and to make sure you're in cell J39, always remember to look up at your name box. Okay, so you're in cell J39. I want you to type the number 2, hit enter, and then in cell J40, type 4, hit enter. Okay, now I want you to highlight both cells, J39 and J40, and I want you to go down until you see your cursor turn to the cross, and I want you to drag it all the way down to cell J48. Oops. Look at that. So Excel realized that there was a pattern there, okay? And it was smart enough to know that you were increasing by increments of 2. And so it filled the rest of the numbers in for you. So again, this will save you a lot of time when you're working on spreadsheets, you have a time crunch, and you need to get it done quick. And there you have it. That is AutoFill in a nutshell. So we're done with this lesson, and I'll see you over on the other side.